Students, we are doing chapter number 14 mensuration, and today we will start exercise 14.2. In this exercise you will get the problem based on area of rectangle and area of square. The figure which will be like this: when opposite sides are equal, these two sides will be equal, these two sides will be equal, and all the four corner angles are 90 degree. We will call rectangle. Area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. One side to another side you have to multiply, and the unit of area always will be square unit. If it is given centimeter, then centimeter square. If it is given meter, then meter square. Second figure, you will get square when all the four sides are equal. Then we will call it a square, and all these angles will be 90 degree. Area square formula is side into side. So one side into another side, A into A, or we can write A square, square unit. Now we will start exercise 14.2. Question number 1. Find the area of the region enclosed by the following figure by counting squares. So here these figures are drawn by the square. You can see here all are square, and we have to count the area by counting the square. Each square is 1 by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In first figure we have 9 square. So area will be 9 into 1 equal to 9 square unit. Second figure we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 square. So area will be 5 into 1 equal to 5 square unit. Next, in third part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total we have here 10 squares. So area will be 10 square unit. Next, in fourth part, we have first we will count the full 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 we have full square, then 1, 2, 3, 4. These are half. So these half will become 1, and these half also will become 1. So 4 plus 2, it will be 6 square unit. So area will be 6 square unit. Now next, in fifth one, half and half will become 1. Then this half and this half also will become 1. So total 2, 3 and 4. So total area will be 4 square unit. And in last one, 1 half, it will become 1. Then half and half, it will become 2. Half and half, it will become 3. Then 4, 5 and 6. So total it will be 6 square unit. Next, question number 2. Find the area of the rectangle whose length and breadth are given. So for first part, length is 9 and breadth is 6 meter. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is 9 and breadth is 6. And you have to see unit also. These units should be same. So 9, 6, 54 unit will be meter square. Second part, when length is given 17 and breadth is given 3 meter, area of rectangle will be length into breadth. 17 into 3, and 17 3 is 51 unit will be meter square. Meter into meter will become meter square. Third part, length is given 14 and breadth is given 4 meter. Area of rectangle will be length into breadth 14 into 4, and 14 4 is 56 meter square. And in question they ask which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest area from these three. So from these three, first one is having 54, 51 and third one 56. So you can see 56. The third one is have the largest area, and the smallest area is second one 51. Next question number 3, find the area of the rectangle whose adjacent sides are 14 centimeter and 23 centimeter. So unit are same. Any one side you can take as length, another one you can take as breadth. Two sides means one is length, another one is breadth. So area of rectangle formula is length into breadth, 14 into 23, and 14 into 23 is equal to 322 centimeter square. Second part, when adjacent sides are 3 kilometer and 4 kilometer, so area of rectangle will be length into breadth. Any one side you can take as length and another side you can take as breadth. So 3 into 4, 12, and unit is here kilometer. It will become kilometer square. Next, third part, 2 meter and 90 centimeter. So in this part you can see one unit is in meter, another one is in centimeter. So you have to change both in same. You can change meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter. It is your wish. Any one you have to change. So suppose I am changing this 2 meters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter will be 200 centimeter. So it will become 200 centimeter and 90 centimeter. Now I can find out the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle will be length into breadth. Length is 200 and breadth is 90. 2 into 9, 18, and 1, 2, 3 zeros we have to include at last, and unit will be centimeter square. If you are changing centimeter into meter, then unit will be meter square. Next, question number 4, find the area of the square whose sides are 8 centimeter. So area of a square formula is side into side, because length and breadth will be same for a square. So 8 into 8, it will become 64 centimeter square. Second part, when each side is given 14 meter, in that case area of a square will be side into side, means 14 multiplied by 14, which is equal to 196 meter square. Unit is here meter, so area unit will be meter square. Next, if each side is 2 meter 50 centimeter, so here also first we have to change these unit into the same unit. We can change meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter. So if we change into everything in meter, then we will get it 2.5 meter, because if to change centimeter into meter, 50 centimeter to change into meter, we have to divide by 100. Then it will change into meter, and after dividing with 100 you will get 0.5 meter. So it will become 2.5 meter. 2 plus 0.5 will be 2.5. So area of a square is equal to side into side. One side is 2.5, another side also 2.5. 2.5 into 2.5, you will get 6.25 meter square. Next, question number 5. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 25 centimeter wide. How many square meter of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? It means we have to find out the area of the floor, and floor will be lengthwise 4 meter, breadthwise 3 meter 25 centimeter. So this 3 meter 25 centimeter we will change into meter, because length is given in meter, so breadth also we will change into meter. So similarly how we did in last question, like that only it will become 3.25 meter. Now the area of floor is equal to, because it is in rectangle shape, so L into B, 4 into 3.25. So after multiplication we will get 13.00. We can write as 13 meter square. So how much will be the area of floor? That much carpet is needed. Therefore carpet is required is 13 meter square. Next question number 6. What is the cost of tiling a rectangular field 500 meter long by 200 meter wide at the rate of 7 rupee 50 paise per 100 square meter? So we have to put tile here on a rectangular field. It means we have to find out the area of rectangular field. Length is given 500 meter. Breadth is given 200 meter. So first we will find out the area of field. Area of field is equal to length into breadth, 500 into 200. So 5 into 2 will become 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros we have to include at last, meter square. Now they have given cost for 100 square meter. So cost for 100 square meter means meter square is rupees 7 rupees 50 paise. So we have to find out for 1 lakh. We can find out it for cost for 1 meter square will be 7.5 by 100. When we are finding for less, we have to divide. Now cost for 1 lakh meter square will be 7.5 by 100 into 1 lakh. So 2 zeros will cancel out. 7.5 you have to multiply with 1000. So you will get here 7500. 7500 rupees is the cost for tiling 1 lakh meter square area. Next question number 7. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So you can imagine this figure like this. One floor is there 5 meter by 4 meter, and inside this floor we can put one 3 meter by 3 meter carpet, and you can see this place is not having carpet. This is without carpet, this outer place, and we have to find out area for this place only where carpet is not there. So to find out this, first we will calculate the full area, and from this area if we remove the carpet area, then we will get only the non carpeted area. So area without carpet is equal to area of floor minus area of carpet. Area of floor, because floor is in the form of rectangle, it will be length into breadth, and area of carpet, because it is a square, so side into side. We can substitute values. For floor, length is 5, breadth is 4, so 5 into 4, and for carpet each side is 3, 3 into 3. 5 into 4 we will get 12, and 3 into 3 we will get 9, and 5 into 4 we will get 20. 5 4s are 20, and 20 minus 9 we will get 11, and in unit you can see everywhere it is meter, so unit will come meter square, because we are finding area, so it will be meter square. Next question number 8. In the adjoining figure, find the area of the path shown shaded, which is 2 meter wide all around. So here this figure is given, this is a park, and this is the path of which area we have to find out, shaded path, and this dimension is given 60 meter, this is given 100 meter, and this is given 2 meter. This is all around 2 meter. This side also, that side also, and this side also 2 meter. So outer dimension is given, inner we have to find out. So here to here it will be 100 minus 2 minus 2, because this side also 2 and this side also 2 we have to subtract. So 100 minus 2 minus 2, we will get 96 meter. Same thing we have to do for this side also, breadth also. This here to here it is 60, 2 meter that side and 2 meter this side. So 60 minus 2 is equal to 56 meter we will get. And to find out this area, we have to subtract this smaller rectangle from this big rectangle. If from this big rectangle we will cut out this portion, then we will get only this area. So area of path is equal to area of big rectangle minus area of small rectangle. Area of big rectangle, length is 100 meter and breadth is 60 meter. And area of a small rectangle, length is 96, breadth is 56. So multiply first, you will get here 6000 minus 96 into 56 will get 5376. After subtraction we will get 624 meter square, because all these units are given in meter. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this.